Welcome to Analytics Friday. Today we are going to talk about the useful of embedding YouTube video on our websites and taking that information through Google Tag Manager to Google Analytics as an event. As you know, this is very useful if you put do-it-yourself videos on the article page for an e-commerce website, for instance, or if you put on for example, a cooking or for recipes on cooking websites that you can have how is effective to have a video there, so it is being watched or not, and you can tie that together on Google Analytics, and then you can have a retargeting and create a target audience based on that, for instance. Okay, so it's very useful to see if our work is being done and is being effective. And behavior is more important than page views. So let's see how we can do it, and we're going to see an example. Okay, so as you can see here, it's the IT Tech Buzz website, and then if you scroll here, you have as you can see a video. If I play here, okay, I'm going to start playing a video. Okay, so I'm going to see here if I'm getting anything here. So okay, as you can see, introduction events on Google Analytics, this episode of Analytics Friday, and is being watched, so it's 5% complete already. Okay, and is being played, as you can see. Okay, this is then if you stop, okay, and go away of this page, what you can get, it's this kind of information watched. Okay, so it can be very useful to determine the effectiveness of your videos, and your in conjunction with the product pages can be very useful. So let's see how we tackle that on the Tag Manager. So if you go to your container on your workspace and see all the tags that you can see here, so you can see all the tags on your system. Okay, we have a lot more because we do some tests. So you see here YouTube. So, but first, before going to here, I must say to you that you first must go to variables. Why? Because we need to configure and enable all the video variables here. You see, videos, video provider, status, and so on. Okay, so this can be very useful. So you put this all together, and then we have one special video action configured. So as you can see, this video action here, okay, it's a personalized JavaScript that you can see here in the function. So function, and you put this function, it's quite simple. So in case it starts, we'll send a play. You can pause, send a pause. If you are seeking and moving the needle to the end of the bar of the beginning of the video, you'll be seeing here a seeking progress, and the progress of the percentage watch will be here. So let's see the configuration about the YouTube video here. Okay, this time we said YouTube because you can use for different providers. We are only using for YouTube now. Okay, so what you have is you see here, it's category video, and then you have to select all that values from the array list from the variables. Okay, and then you have to say if it's false or true the interaction mode. Remember that non-interaction, if non-interaction is true, it means that you are not taking in account, says to Google, not taking account time on session, bounce rate, and so on. So, and if you say that is false, okay, if the people goes to your homepage like mine and starts to see a video, we'll send an event with the triggering point when it's going to load, okay? It's 5, 10 here or 25 as you can see here. So what you are tackling here is trigger type, it's YouTube video, and then you say start, conclude, progress, and then if you want to see to all videos or just a special one or a special category, so you can spot different events from different providers, okay? And you can change this configuration to your own needs, of course. So on analytics, what you can see here, it's so you have here the event category and the event label on secondary dimension on the behavior events, top events. Okay, so you have here the video that is in watch, the total events, unique events, values. Okay, and the average value. Average value can be good to see what is being watched for a video. Okay. So guys, take care. Have a nice weekend. We are going to stop here for the Christmas time, and we're beginning in January the next episode. So take care. Have a nice holidays and a good Christmas time with your family and friends, and see you next time.